Welcome to the Gender Specific Topics video for the Wisconsin Waukesha Australian Adventure 2013 males. The topics discussed here are not all specific to gender, but are discussed in groups separated by gender to prevent embarrassment and ensure every delegate feels free to ask questions and share frankly. Please draw on your own experiences and insight to make the most of a discussion at home regarding these topics. We want to promote mature and responsible behavior in our student ambassadors. The topics covered in this video lecture are friendship, courtesy, respect, zero tolerance, hygiene, maturity, and a few gender-specific notes. Friendship. By all means, delegates should form friendships within the delegation. This is one of the many rewarding experiences. However, romantic relationships are not encouraged during the program. Be aware of the following. Your attention should be on the program and the student ambassador experience, not on a romantic interest. Finding a boyfriend or girlfriend is not a student ambassador objective. Public displays of affection are not acceptable and can result in the couple being separated. Boys and girls will be expected to work together in groups during the program. A boy should never be in a girl's room, and a girl should never be in a boy's room. Common areas can always be found for appropriate socialization, and leaders can help find these areas if none seem available. Courtesy. Remember your student ambassador responsibility to always act with courtesy to others. For instance, hold doors, offer assistance, help check the motor coach, keep lobbies, motor coaches, and dining rooms clean, and use your best manners at all times as you represent your delegation, hometown, Wisconsin, and the U.S. while abroad. Respect. Remember your responsibility to be respectful. Listen attentively to guides, delegation manager, and leaders. Ask permission before acting, as getting permission is easier than getting forgiveness. If you find you have made a mistake, tell me so that we can discuss it rather than having me find out through others talking and then my wondering why you were hiding it in the first place. Zero tolerance. Bullying or harassment of any kind will not be tolerated. A student engaged in bullying or harassment can expect to be paired with a leader. Harassment and bullying include name-calling and unwanted teasing. The use of profanity will not be tolerated. Any case of these behaviors should be immediately reported to a leader. Note: please refer to your behavior guidelines for more information on this topic. Hygiene. Traveling and wearing the same clothes can lead to body odor very quickly. Make sure you shower with soap and use deodorant daily. Relying on hotels having soap is not enough. Wash your clothes whenever you have the chance. Spray-on fresheners do not cover odors accumulated over 2 or 3 weeks of traveling. Pack plenty of your favorite hygiene products. They may not be available internationally. Understand that your favorite scent may cause others discomfort while traveling, so go easy on sprays during travel days. Maturity. While people-to-people ambassador programs should be fun, some play is considered inappropriate. Rough play such as wrestling, fighting, etc. is not acceptable, even if all parties are willing participants. Playing in elevators or stairwells is forbidden for your safety and the safety of others. Also, there will be no running in hotels, buildings, etc. Again, for your safety and that of others. Another test of maturity is regarding any less conservative standard around nude bodies. Delegates may see art which covers less than expected. Maturity means appreciating the piece of art for what it is, without giggling, pointing, or otherwise responding immaturely. This also goes for any people who are scantily clad. Please do not stare, point, or giggle, etc. Mature student ambassadors will look in a different direction without showing a reaction. Male-specific notes. While the discussion of hygiene was already had, it should come with little or no surprise that this topic is broached again with males. Please be sure that you bring all necessary products with you. Also, be sure that you know how to wash clothing items prior to travel. This includes understanding how your parents would like you to sort items. And last but not least, feel comfortable talking to a leader when necessary. There is not a male leader traveling with our delegation, but that doesn't mean that myself or other leaders on the trip are not there for you. Thank you for watching the gender-specific topics video. At this point, I ask that you send me an email with one question you have about Australia as a country so that I can verify who watched the video. Other than that, Australia, here we come.